Hi everyone, this is Lori from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today I wanted to show you how to make these really easy little angel earrings. And these are so lightweight, so simple to put together. I already received a really good response out of these. I took all of my jewelry making tools and some beads and whatnot, and I was putting these together at the senior center because I was waiting for my beach ball volleyball class to start. And quite a few people came up to the table to see what I was doing, and their responses were just wonderful. They all just loved these little angels. So I thought that I would show you how to make them here, and believe me, if I can make these, you can make these. And they're very easy. So I hope you stay tuned to watch this, because I think you'll enjoy it. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make the angel earring, but I will show you after we finish the angel earring all the information you need, where to find the beads, and they're very cheap, by the way, and angel wings and what sizes you can use and all that. Okay, so to start, you can use your round nose pliers, but I'm choosing to use these Beadalon memory wire finishing pliers. Okay, and this is where I found mine. Alright, and I will put any links that I have on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com. Okay? Now the first thing you're going to need is some 20 gauge wire. I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it's by Beadsmith. Okay? And I cut 1 3/4 inches of the wire. Okay? Make sure it's straightened out, and then measure 1 3/4 inches. Okay, 1 3/4. All right. You're going to take a soft eyeglass cloth and just straighten it out a little bit. It's not going to be perfect, but you just do the best you can. Okay. They do have these eyeglass cloths at the Dollar Tree. You'll find them hanging up where the sunglasses are, you know, the little racks of sunglasses. Sometimes they'll even be in the little eyeglass repair kits. Okay, so I'm going to be working with the 2mm side here. Okay, I have 2mm and 4mm. So I'm going to take my wire just like that, and I'm going to turn the pliers like that, and I'm going to put my thumbnail right here, give it a little back bend. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, now I'm going to come in and kind of straighten this up with my pliers, give it a little squeeze just to make it straight from the side. And I think I'm going to come back in and close this as much as I can. There we go. I think it's closed pretty well. Alright. And of course, check the side again. Give that a little, just a gentle squeeze. Alright. So now we have what looks like this. Now we're going to hang the little bell from there. I found a bag of little jewelry making bells in red, green, gold, and silver at Hobby Lobby. It's hanging up where all the Christmas crafting items are, you know, the separate little kiosks all the way down the aisle. And they have jewelry on one of those kiosks, Christmas making jewelry. And jewelry making Christmas. Sorry about that. And anyway, you get my point. Don't mind me. Okay. Now I'm going to be opening a 6mm jump ring that I found from Hobby Lobby. Put my little bell on it. and then hook it here. Make sure it's closed. You want to feel it scraping. Okay, there we go. We have it just like this, right? Now the next thing we're going to do is put on these 12mm sunburst beads, and I'll give you all the information at the end of this video. Okay, now so next we're going to be placing on the wings. You can use any angel wing beads you'd like, as long as they're anywhere from 17mm to 22mm in width. Okay, the height does not matter, it's the width. Okay, so this is a 17mm, but you can use it all the way up to 22mm and it'll look just fine. And I have an example of that I'll show you at the end of this video as well. Now the next thing you're going to need is a 6mm glass pearl, and put that on. And then the next thing you're going to need is a 6mm Crystal Rondelle Spacer Bead. You can also use 4mm, but this one is a 6mm. Okay, there we go. Now it's looking really cute. Now the next thing you're going to do is going to roll this top part up. So I'm trying to hold it like this, hold it all together. Okay, I'm going to turn this to the side. Now I'm going to use the 2mm loops or pegs. Okay, and I'm going to do this. Just roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Now give it a little bit of a back bend. Continue to roll. And you'll feel it nice and tight. Things aren't going to move around. You don't want to stress it out so much that you're rolling so tight that everything cracks. No. But you just want to make sure that nothing's going to be moving. Okay? Now I'm going to slide this out. Gently take your flat nose pliers, give it a slight squeeze just to put it together. See if I show you a close-up, you can see what this looks like. Alright. And you have your little bell in the front like that. Okay. So I'll put all this up close where you can see it. See, and it's not going to move around or spin around or anything like that. It's nice and tight. So the last thing we're going to do, I'm going to open this ear hook, and I'm going to slide. Let's see, I always have to think about this before I do it. There we go. Because I want the front to be showing. So there we go. Now I also like to place a little ear nut on the wire, and this is just so that these earrings won't slip out of your ears. Now I bought the ear nuts at Hobby Lobby, but the case is mine. I just made that little case up. And, you know, I just slide this on the back. So that's how I made this, and I'm going to hang this here with the other one. I think they turned out super cute. So, yeah, just like this. Alright, and I already gave one pair of these away to a wonderful lady I know at the senior center I go to. Margaret, if you're watching this, hello. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show you where I found the Sunburst Beads at BeadTin.com, $3.29 for 450 pieces. They have a ton of colors though, but the ones we used were 12mm crystal. Okay, the angel wings that I was telling you about. You can use angel wings anywhere from 17 to 22 millimeters. The ones that I use today I purchased from AliExpress years ago, but you know, they do have these beautiful little angel wings that you can also use. Okay, and let's see, anything else that I forgot? Let's see, 20 gauge wire. The Crystal Rondelles, you can find those on Amazon too. Just type in the name Crystal Rondelle Spacer Beads, 6mm. That's what I used. If you want the halo to be a little smaller, you can buy the 4mm, but I prefer the 6mm. So, and I will post any links once again on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com. Now, I would also love to show you how to make these cute little miniature angel ornaments, and these were very easy. This one doesn't have a bell, but she can also sit, you know. You could put a bell on here, just like these earrings, but I think she turned out really cute. Look, I used the same exact wings. I used 2 of the Sunburst beads, but these are 25mm that I bought, and you can get them from BeadTin as well. I believe they are $2.99 for, let's see, how many pieces? For 80 pieces, and I only used 2. But I'll go ahead and post this for you if you want me to show you how to make it. Just let me know in this video, and if you do, then just leave a little comment stating, yes, I'd like to see the video on this. Okay? Alright, so with that said, thank you so much for watching, and God bless each and every one of you. I appreciate you too. Thank you.